feel like messaging Banjo today. No way. Who's a good person to message? Who's this Donny? Christopher Mason. Alrighty. Let's go. What shall I type? I'm going to ask him if he enjoyed jiids last year. I'm going to give him some background information on jiids because that's what the jiids servicing is all about, you know. It's just how you do it. How do I do a bracket? Whoa. Might just do a 9. The closed bracket, I'll just do 0 and enter. I think, oh dear, it didn't turn out quite the way I meant it to. Wait, whoa. That was meant to be like, I was asking if he enjoyed jiids last year. And I gave him background information, see here. That, oh dear, I typed India right. Well done me, because jiids is held on the 2nd India of December each year. This was good jiids, bye.